Hazrat Taus reports that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out for Makkah Mukarramah from Medina Munawwara. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam fasted till he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Usfan. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for water and lifted it, the pot aloft in his hands to show it to the people, and broke his fast till he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Makkah Mukarramah. And it happened in Ramadan. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu would say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has kept fast and given it up. So whosoever wishes may keep fast, and whosoever wishes may not keep fast. Hazrat Ibn Abu Layla reports that Muhammad's companions have narrated us a hadith. When the command about Ramadan was issued, they felt hardship. So whoso could feed a needy daily omitted the fast, as they had been granted the permission for it. It was revoked by this command, and if you observe fast, it is better for you. So they were commanded to observe fast. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 1948.